Learn and play online.
Phonics, segmenting with digraphs, Video 1. In today's video, you will be using your knowledge of phonemes. Phonemes are sounds. There will be 10 words that contain digraphs for you to spell. Digraphs are when two letters are combined to make one sound. You will get 10 seconds to try and spell each word. Record your answers on a whiteboard or a piece of paper. How many will you get right? Good luck! Word 1 is rich. R-I-Ch. R-I-Ch. Rich. Word 2 is duck. D-A-K. D-A-K. Duck. Word 3 is sing. S-I-N. S-I-N. Sing. Word 4 is fish. F-I-sh. F-I-sh. Fish. Word 5 is chop. Ch-O-P. Ch-O-P. Chop. Word 6 is wish. W-I-sh. W-I-sh. Wish. Word 7 is ring. R-I-N. R-I-N. Ring. Word 8 is rock. R-O-K. R-O-K. Rock. Word 9 is thin. F-I-N. F-I-N. Thin. Word 10 is moth. M-O-Th. M-O-Th. Moth. We hope you had fun practicing your phonemes.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe for more videos.